government helicopters have struck a school in north-central Myanmar, killing at least 13 people, including 7 children, in what would be the deadliest attack on children since the junta seized power last year, a school administrator and an aid worker have said. School administrator said she was trying to get students to safe hiding places when 2 of 4 government Mi-35 helicopters hovering north of Yetcon village began attacking. She said the helicopters began firing machine guns and heavier weapons at the school, which has 240 students from kindergarten to year 8 and is located in the compound of the village's Buddhist monastery. When the air attack stopped, she said about 80 soldiers entered the monastery compound, firing their guns at the buildings. Myanmar Now, an online news service, and other independent Myanmar media also reported the attack and the students' deaths. The UN has documented 260 attacks on schools and education personnel since military ousted the elected government of Suki in February last year, but this would be highest number of children to be killed.